Now, could AI write better copy than copywriters? I have been a copywriter for more than 20 years now. I'm skeptical, so let's see. I'm gonna ask the AI to write me a post about high ticket closing. Let's see what comes up. Wow, that is very, very fast actually. But does it actually make any sense? Let's see. Well, let's take a look. A high ticket close is the process of selling a high price product or service to a customer. Not bad. This type of sale can be challenging because the price point is typically much higher than the average sale. I think that it's okay. It's not super great. So the customer may need more convincing to make the purchase accurate. Now this could be an ad or it could be a social media post. It could even be an email. But I'm surprised by how quick the AI writes. However, with the right approach and techniques, high-ticket closing can be a very effective and lucrative way to grow your business, okay? One key to successful high-ticket closing is building trust and rapport with the customer. This means taking the time to understand their needs and concerns, very true, and addressing them in a personalized and professional manner, also accurate. Building trust also involves demonstrating your expertise and knowledge about the product or service and showing why it's worth the investment. So far, so good. It's actually not bad. Another important factor in high ticket closing is addressing objections and concerns. It seems a little bit repetitive. It's kind of like saying the same thing again. Customers may have reservations about the price, the value, or the fit of the product or service. It is important to listen to these objections and address them directly, providing clear and compelling reasons why the product or service is worth the investment. See, I think this part and this part, the AI, just a little bit repetitive. It could be more concise and shorter and not be so redundant. This can involve highlighting the benefits and features of the product or service, comparing it to the other options, or offering special promotions or discounts. May or may not be true, because when you're selling high ticket, usually you don't offer discounts. Let's see. Finally, successful high ticket closing often involves a sense of urgency. That means creating a sense that the customer needs to act now in order to take advantage of a limited time offer or special opportunity. Oh, okay, I see the pattern here, right? It's kind of from here to here is a little bit repetitive, and then here is repeating the same thing again, just in a slightly different way. This can be achieved through limited time discounts, special promotions, or other incentives that encourage the customers to make a decision quickly. Overall, high ticket closing is a challenging but rewarding process. Same thing what the AI said here in the beginning. But by building trust, addressing objections, and creating a sense of urgency, you can effectively sell high-priced products and services and grow your business. I would give it like a 6 out of 10. I think it may be a good way, even for copywriters. You want to get some ideas, or you want to just get a jump start of whatever you're writing on. It could be an ad, it could be an email, it could be a sales page. There's some chunks in there I think we could use. Again, a little bit redundant in certain parts, but this is pretty damn cool. So overall, this is not bad. I'm gonna do one more thing before we go. I'm gonna tell the AI to actually make it a little bit less repetitive. See if they can actually do that. I think it's still repetitive. I'm just gonna try this. Instead of what is, how to do high ticket closing. Let's see if the AI actually knows. How do you actually do it? Maybe you'll pull content from my content, who knows? Yeah, I see. Well, but at least it's kind of taking the same content, building trust, addressing objections, creating a sense of urgency, close the sale. But I am impressed that it actually takes it and turn it into kind of in bullets, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then kind of give you the structure and steps, and then adding the follow-up. This is new, right? This is new. Pretty impressive. Now, so far, this is pretty good. Would it help you as a copywriter? I think to a degree. Would it help you as a business owner? Yes, but AI doesn't understand the deep psychology of why people buy. Using words is only a part of the formula. If you want to learn more about this, the deep psychology of why people buy and how do you craft words, maybe using an AI to help you to speed up and shortcut the learning curve and just save you time, but you still need to understand the fundamentals. Go to www.danlockshop.com, check out our copywriting collection that will give you a jump start. Combine it with AI, before you know it, you will be crafting kick-ass copy in no time.